Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. That's right. This PlayStation 3 I got don't work. What a biatch. But I don't care, cause I got the solution right here for you all. I like these fixed videos for everybody. And this one took a few revisions cause I didn't like the way it came out the first time. I don't think it was good enough. Alright. So this hard drive was just no good. That shit was bricked. So I swapped it. But if you have a hard drive and it's good, and it's not brick like this one was, then you could just pop in an external USB hard drive into the front of your PlayStation and it'll work great. Just make sure that external USB drive is formatted FAT32, yo. And if you gotta go to PlayStation, this is where you get the file. Make sure it's in this process. If you got a large external HD, GY format is a great tool. Now you gotta format the drive FAT32 and insert the PS3 folder into the freshly formatted drive. It should look exactly like this. It has to be all caps update within the all caps PS3 folder, and this is all you need inside. Just the update pup. So now it's really easy. You just pull off that little patch on the bottom if you want to swap the drive, and then you just pull those panties to the side when you're ready. Come on now. Pull it to the side. There we go. Come on now. Come on now. And it's just like that. You see that little all black slot? Yeah, you can't slide it. You gotta put it in like that and pop it in. So if you have the screw too far down, then you can't put the plate back in. And this drive was fried. But lucky for me, I just got hard drives up the wazoo, so I'm gonna switch it out. But I'm also gonna get this bad boy clean. Yeah, it's really dirty, and what I have is dust off, and then I got my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I got some furniture spray for like wood and plastics and all that, and it works phenomenally. Oh yeah, is that a new word I just made up? But just all the goo, all the nastiness that people put in, and you didn't really need to take them apart, because that's a lot of work to fully take this thing apart. You could just spray it. Believe me, you're gonna get like 95% of it. Unless it's just overheating somehow, but you don't need to. Oh, the almighty PS3, y'all. Almighty PS3, y'all. Such a great system, so many games. Keep your PS3s fresh. Keep them restored, baby. All the games right now, if you go to thrift shops, PlayStation 3 is a good system to collect for right now. It really is. Games are cheap. I'm picking up games for like $1 to $6. And that's kind of the max I'm paying for PS3 games right now. So it's a great time to collect. And just get that sprayed out, all that dirt. It's so nasty. Most dirt is like 90% the old owner's skin particles, so it's pretty gross. You want to get that all polished out of there. Keep it clean, guys. Such a great system. 8-year life on this baby, really 10-year, because PlayStation 3 is still going strong. Get that baby all clean. Can't wait to play some 2-player co-op Red Dead Redemption, y'all. Get these stickers off. Now this was $60 for this PS3. And with the bad drive in it, it was kind of lame. But whatever. I'll take a little loss because it came with 2 controllers. So it's all good. Because I've just been dying to play 2-player co-op. A lot of Dead Space 3. All these good 2-player PS3 games. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Get it clean. See, and that's how a PlayStation 3 should look. And that's my little dirt assassin. It's a great tool for getting in all the cracks, getting all the final dust off. Booyah, it's beautiful. And you can put the magic eraser inside of the disk drive, and it's all good. Just get all that foam out, little final detail work. Keep it sexy. In the comments, list your favorite PS3 games. I want to know. Maybe we can play with each other, because I want to start doing some PlayStation 3 remembrance videos, because we all had this system way too long. And that's my other PS3, the one I've had since Uncharted 2 came out. And I just want to get this as clean as my new one now. So let's do it. Furniture polish, give it a good scrub down. Everything comes off real easy when you got some good furniture polish, and it gives it that shine you need. Isn't that so much better, guys? To have systems that you know aren't gonna overheat, full of dust and just look nasty. Now it looks good with the rest of my collection, all shiny and blinged. I hope I helped anybody too, because a lot of just stuff that people clean their consoles with doesn't work too good, and it takes too long to get it clean. So magic erasers will eat through anything. Just watch through you don't scrub too hard, because you will eat through anything with a magic eraser. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Game mother freaking Tato. Peace, y'all.